On today's episode of Everyday Adventures, we are making a birthday cake for
Elizabeth.
Yes, Aunt Elizabeth. Yes.
And we got a lot of aunts we love.
Yes,
our
we
favorite
do.
aunts.
Yeah, we have several favorite aunts. So, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, Everyday Adventures. And we hope you enjoy this cake. We'll put the recipe down in the video description. But it is a key lime cake and it is delicious. So we're super excited about making it.
And it's a green Hulk cake.
Oh yeah, Silas says that it is a Hulk cake.
And it's green too. It's Grinch cake too.
I say it is the girl. It is She-Hulk.
Yes. So I'm going to preheat the oven to 350.
Where are we
get that started, and we need to open the cake mix.
Mom, can I open the cake mix?
Yes, sir. You go ahead and do that. Whitley, can you pour in this? Can you open that? I'm going to grab some scissors really quickly.
Why? Wait, we have some red stuff over there like that.
Yeah, but it doesn't call for strawberry jello. It calls for lime jello.
Oh. Ooh.
So it calls for, can't get it? It calls for a lemon cake mix, and that's what Silas is opening, and then a lime jello packet.
Always do this with your mom or dad if they say so.
That's right.
Because
actually, I can just tear this.
And guys, you will get hurt because there's a lot of defenses that kids could get hurt. So.
Okay, so I'm gonna open this.
Guys, I've been bad because I don't get to cause scissors out of my home, but only out places, not out my home. Okay.
Yes, Silas was not very good with scissors at home, so he's not allowed to use scissors anymore.
Really
Silas, do you want to put in the lemon cake mix?
Guys never do this.
And just so you know, we all washed our hands before we started the video, right guys?
We should all do that.
Yep, and we're not going to touch our faces. Alright, so we have those two things.
We
now, we need eggs.
Eggs.
Yep. Yep, can you open the eggs for us?
Yeah. What?
Okay, Whitley, I'm going to give you 3/4 cup of vegetable oil to put in. Please don't spill it. Okay, so 3/4 cup of vegetable oil.
A lot of you grown-ups do eggs because you know what? I know grown-ups can tell you you don't want to do something.
Yes, we don't want to get eggshells in the cake mix or germs from the eggshells, right? We don't want anyone to get sick.
And if a little piece falls in there, you have to check somehow.
Yes, you have to get it out.
Yeah, with your hand.
Or a spoon.
Yeah.
Mom, can I crack the eggs with a spoon?
No, we're not going to crack the eggs with a spoon. What you can do is show them the sprinkles that you've decided need to be on the birthday cake, since it's a birthday cake and not just a regular cake.
Well, I'll hold up this one.
You hold? Yeah.
So we both have this kind. This is the kind I picked. And this is the kind of sauce picked.
No,
yeah, I'm putting one that he picked.
I think you guys both picked both of those.
Yeah.
No, but I want
I know. So, rainbow sprinkles and then gold.
Gold sprinkles. And do my favorite sprinkles ever.
Yep. Okay, so we have our 5 eggs in, and now we need to put in 3/4 cup of orange juice. Okay. So let me see this.
By the way, never eat orange juice without asking your mom.
You never eat
Dad.
orange juice without asking your mom?
Yes, yeah, or because if you eat it and then you mix it up with lime stuff, I'm sure it won't taste good.
You don't think it would taste good?
I know, but like if you mix it up
Okay,
just
Silas,
with
can
that
you pour
stuff.
that in? Pour in
If
the
it's
3/4
mixed
cup of
up
orange
that
juice.
stuff with this, guys, this is orange.
I know
juice.
that it would
Yeah.
be good.
It's orange juice.
Okay, go ahead and pour it in. Please don't spill it.
Good.
Huh?
It smells so good.
It does smell really good. Okay, now we have to mix it up.
Yes. Can I mix it up, Mom?
Yes.
Let's let Whitley start it. Alright guys, so this is what our cake mix looks like. It's green. It's going to be delicious. If you like lime stuff, you would love this cake. It is so good. So good. Okay, you want to give Silas a turn?
Yeah, no.
Don't stick your fingers in there. Don't let the bowl fall. Whitley, can you go get a big spoon?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
And for your thing, always say yes to your mother.
Alright, so I scraped down some of the sides of the bowl with stirring some more. Silas, what did you need to tell us?
Guys, tell me Dad and Mom if you take off those gray things so you can lick them off.
Yeah, you like to lick the
My sister.
batter, yeah. Yeah. Alright, I think we're probably ready to pour it into the bowls. Alright guys, so we are ready to stick these in the oven. They smell delicious already. While we are baking them in the oven, we will make our cream cheese icing.
Mom, what?
One in. Alright, both of them are in the oven. Let's get started on our icing. So the cake is now baking for 35 minutes. And while it's baking, we are going to make the icing. So for the icing part, we're going to beat half a cup of butter together.
Wait, where's the butter?
So this, you can put the butter in, Whitley. You just stick it in there, okay?
All the butter?
Yes, all of the
I
butter.
want to get the butter with it.
Well, you're not going to do the butter. You're going to do the cream cheese, which is actually, I don't know how you say it, but Neufchâtel maybe?
Thing is,
Because I didn't buy cream cheese.
this thing is like,
Yeah, it's supposed to be a little melted, Whitley.
oh.
Okay. So, yep, just drop it in there, and then you'll need to go wash your hands.
A lot.
Okay, put it in there.
I'll
wash your hands,
okay? After this.
You shouldn't get
That's
your hands
what's
dirty.
doing it.
Hold on. Let me get this part open for you. Do you think Elizabeth is going to like this cake?
Yeah.
Yes, we think that's a good one.
Okay, here you go. Scrape it in there.
Can I cut it up?
Well, it doesn't really need to be cut up, but if
Well, I want to cut it up.
can I see the spoon to scrape this, please?
Can I cut my fingers up?
Why do you feel the need to cut everything?
I want to cut everything. Like cut this. Like cut
Here,
it.
don't touch your face, okay?
Thank you. I want to cut.
Okay. 3 tablespoons of lime juice. So we have our lime juice here. Let me get our tablespoon. Okay, we had to change our angle because my camera died and I had to plug it up. This is the only way we can do it with it plugged up. So, Whitley, it's your turn. Hold this, please.
Tabasco?
No, we've got to do 3 tablespoons of lime juice.
Can I do lime juice too?
You can do the powdered sugar after this. Okay?
Okay.
1.
Yay!
Oops. 2. We're just going to do this last one like a half one because I accidentally spilled a little bit. Okay.
Yep.
There we go.
And 3.
Okay. And then it calls for 4 cups of powdered sugar.
It smells good.
Yeah, it
It's so
smells
strong, guys.
delicious.
Never do this by yourself, please.
It is very strong. Lime juice is sour, but it's delicious.
My ears.
Okay, don't put your face over the thing. Okay, Silas, we are going to put in 4 cups of powdered sugar. I'm going to let you pour them in once I get it out of the bag. Will you hand me those scissors over there so I can
Ma'am.
cut this and make it easier? Hold on, it's not ready to go in yet though.
I'm so shaking it.
Well, I want you to shake it. Yeah.
This is loud again. I don't know if you can see or not, but for Christmas, house got this special little alligator
Mm-hmm.
from, who was it, Mom?
I'm not sure. Was it from Mike when you that maybe?
Yeah, it was.
Do the powdered sugar. Go ahead.
I love
Okay.
you, cookie fountains.
No, we have that now.
I know.
Now we're gonna mix it up. I'm gonna do this part because powdered sugar tends to make a mess. Please don't touch your lip when you go wash your hands. Okay, we'll show you the finished product here in a second. Alright guys, so here's our finished icing. We still have 16 minutes on the cake, so we'll probably let the cake cool tonight and maybe ice it in the morning. If the kids can get up and get ready quickly, they can help me with it. Think you can do that?
Yes.
Alright, we will see you in the morning. Bye! Alright guys, so I'm not a cake decorator by any figment of the imagination, but I do like doing it. The kids are still asleep, so I'm going to ice the cake and then they can put the sprinkles on it and decorate it however they want. So let's get started on that part. I just won't worry about that yet. Okay, let's get the other layer. So I'm always so bad at my cake sticking. See? It's beautiful. So, just put this on here. And then, I'm going to do my best to get that little piece off here. And then we'll just fit it back on. It's like doing a puzzle. And looks pretty okay. Now let's get the rest of this icing on. Alright, so like I said, my cakes do not turn out pretty, but it will taste good. I always said if I opened a bakery, it would be called the ugly cake. But we'll see what the kids can do with the sprinkles and decorating it. Okay, the kids are up and ready for school, so Whitley's going to do our gold sprinkles. Alright, so that looks good for the gold. Okay, Sally Bug, can you sprinkle some rainbow ones there in the middle? Alright, that looks like a delicious cake. Can you guys smile for me? Can y'all sing happy birthday to Elizabeth?
Happy birthday to you. Cha cha cha. Happy birthday to you. Cha cha cha. Happy birthday, dear Elizabeth. Cha cha cha.
Happy
Birthday to you.
Alright.
Cha cha.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to our page, okay? Everyday Adventures, and remember to make every day
an adventure.
bye-bye.
Huge adventure.